Hi, this is Shankar from Tenet Tech Bangalore. Today I am going to interface 16x16 matrix with the Chipkit.
This is the 16x16 LED matrix. I am going to interface this 16x16 LED matrix with Chipkit uno32 without the help of a shift register. Chipkit uno32 is having 30 digital IOs, so I am going to access the 30 digital IOs directly with the matrix. And for remaining two IOs, I will be accessing analog IOs as digital. Here I have connected the matrix directly with the Chipkit uno32. And here our application engineer has written a code in such a way that it will be accessing each and every LEDs. Here is the demo.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information and more videos, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.